This is a guided morning meditation that will inspire you to find the courage daily to create your dream life. It's time to focus. It's time to find the energy to create your dream life. Find a relaxed, comfortable seated position. Nothing complicated, as long as you can concentrate on your breathing. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Let's set the intention to be present in the moment, to face the brand new day with a strong, powerful, driven mindset. Positive vibes and energy. This is your chance to evaluate what you actually want in life. Look deep inside yourself. Looking for answers is part of the journey. Now, you have the chance to spread gratitude for what you have, for what makes you feel strong, empowered, secure, and happy. Take a long, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out from your mouth with a long, liberating sigh. Make the most of these cleansing breaths. Long, deep breath in. Long breath out. One more time. Now try to take the longest, deepest breath you take all day. Deep breath in and exhale out with your mouth with a sigh. Take some time to focus on these particular assumptions. The past is gone. And the future is yet to come. All you need to do right now is focusing on the present moment. You need to be present in the moment, present here and now, in order to honor the brand new day and the incredible possibilities and gifts the universe has in store for you. You have the opportunity to start anew. In the morning, everything is still unwritten. This is a brand new day to get up strong with brand new intentions and even more ready to get everything done. To achieve your goal, to work hard, to make your dream life come alive. Visualize a goal. Visualize yourself achieving it. You have the power and the energy to achieve that goal on a daily basis. You are the boss that can create your dream life. You are strong. You have the skills. You have the power to do it. You have the strength to do it. You have the energy to do it. You are productive. You are a boss. You are great. You are amazing. You've got this. Now take a deep breath in and exhale out. At each inhalation, you inhale positivity and confidence in the brand new day. And exhaling out, imagine these feelings as a light that's starting from the center of your heart, spreading all over around you, and radiates the whole universe with gratitude for this new chance, for this new day. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. And again, one more time, take a deep breath in and exhale out. This beautiful bright light you were able to create is there to show you the way. It's there to support your amazing journey towards a better, rewarding, and positive chapter of your life. Accomplishing your goals. Focusing on what can make your life better, happier. Now bow to this new trust in your abilities. Trust in yourself. Trust in your leadership. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes or stay in this position as long as you would like. When you are ready to start your day, honor it by bringing your hands in front of your heart in prayer and repeat these powerful affirmations in your mind or repeat them out loud. Feel the vibrancy of each word. I am deserving of the best. I want the freedom of doing what I want when I want. I am living my dream come true. I am full of energy. I am successful. I am content. I am blessed. I am grateful. Namaste.